Every engine has a few components that quietly take on the toughest tasks without drawing much attention. Among those, the fuel injection pump is easily one of the most critical. Without it, a diesel engine won't operate with the precision and power it was built for. Today, let's focus on the fuel injection pump RE503049 DB4629, 5512D0009845 specifically crafted for John Deere engines. This isn't just another replacement part you pick up as an afterthought. It's the central piece that regulates how fuel reaches the combustion chamber. That means the efficiency, reliability, and lifespan of the engine all depend heavily on the pump doing its job properly. So, why does the RE503049 stand out? To start, this pump is designed as a genuine OEM part. That matters more than many realize. A genuine pump is manufactured with exact tolerances and built to meet the performance standards of John Deere engines. This is crucial because heavy-duty equipment in agriculture, construction, and industrial work simply can't afford unpredictable failures. A poorly made aftermarket pump might work for a while, but when it gives out, it can lead to costly downtime. Looking at its design, the DB4 series has a reputation for durability, and this model continues that tradition. The pump feels solid and built to last. Every surface, joint, and housing is constructed with materials that withstand long-term exposure to vibration, high temperatures, and extended hours of use. In real-world terms, it means the pump won't crack under pressure when your equipment is running all day, every day. Compatibility is another major strength here. The RE503049 is tailored for John Deere engines, so it integrates seamlessly without modifications. That's not just a convenience, it ensures performance optimization. An engine fitted with the correct OEM pump runs smoother, consumes fuel more efficiently, and avoids the gradual wear that often happens with incompatible parts. Fuel system problems are common in diesel engines, and many of them lead back to an injection pump that's either worn out or improperly calibrated. Hard starts, fluctuating idle, reduced power, and rising fuel usage are all signs of a failing pump. Replacing it with a genuine part like the RE503049 doesn't just patch the problem temporarily, it restores the system to original factory performance. One of the defining qualities of this pump is its precision fuel delivery. The calibration is exact, ensuring the right amount of fuel is injected at precisely the right moment and at the proper pressure. That precision translates into better combustion efficiency, more consistent power output, and improved fuel economy. Over the long term, that accuracy reduces stress on engine components, contributing to a longer service life. Durability is also a major highlight. John Deere engines are often used in conditions that test every component: dusty fields, muddy job sites, or long runs in high heat. The RE503049 is engineered with these scenarios in mind. It's designed to keep performing even when conditions aren't ideal, which is exactly what professionals need when downtime can mean lost productivity and revenue. Installing this pump is also straightforward compared to alternatives. Because it's a direct OEM replacement, it fits exactly as intended. There's no need for adjustments, modifications, or additional parts. For experienced technicians, installation is efficient and hassle-free. And for anyone less familiar with diesel engines, having a mechanic install it ensures it's fitted and calibrated properly. Once it's installed, the difference is noticeable almost immediately. Engines start faster, idle becomes steadier, and power delivery feels more reliable. For tractors, that means fewer delays and improved efficiency during long hours in the field. For construction equipment, it means a stronger, more dependable machine that can handle demanding jobs without stalling or faltering. Of course, cost is always a factor. Genuine injection pumps like the RE503049 are priced higher than aftermarket options, but the trade-off is reliability. Think of it as an investment, saving money